Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video can definitely save your time because I came up with 4 solid opportunities for freshers and developers, including full-time roles and internships. So make sure to watch till the end because I will be discussing about the qualifications, requirements, responsibilities, salaries and location. Alright, coming to the first opportunity, this one is from Aevis. They are actively building an AI workforce for insurance operations and they are hiring for Mern Stack developer intern. The location is Bangalore and it will be an in-office role. Stipend ranges between 10,000 to 30,000 per month and the reallocation bonus is also allowed and no experience is required. Comfortable with React and modern front-end practices, good understanding of nodejs and Express, knowledge of MongoDB or any NoSQL databases, understanding of async programming, APIs and data flow is important. If you know WebSockets, Tailwind, authentication systems, it will be a good bonus for you. Now, coming to the qualifications part, they haven't restricted specific batches, so any recent graduates with Mern Stack skills can apply. This is a full time internship with PPO opportunity, so if you perform well, you may get a full time opportunity there. And this is not a basic internship, they have clearly mentioned real product, real systems, and real ownership. Now, coming to the second opportunity, this is Apprentice hiring FI 2026 from Fujitsu. If you don't know Fujitsu, this is a Japan based company. Job locations include Pune, Chennai, Noida, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. Monthly stipend is approximately 25,000 to 30,000 per month. Work mode is mandatory work from office. Reallocation and visa sponsorship is not allowed. Now, talking about the requirements, good communication skills, both written and spoken, strong learning attitude, flexibility regarding location and technology is important. Now, very important qualifications and eligibility. Graduation year must be from 2021, 2022, 23, 24, or 25 batches only. Bachelor's or engineering degree must be from AICTE, DOTE, DTE, or government approved institute. You must have final degree certificate or provisional certificate, and you must not have any prior NATS registration with any organization. Basic understanding of technical specialization is required. This is a very structured apprentice program, good for fresh graduates who want stable entry. I have posted some cheat sheets which can help you at the end time of your interview, so make sure to check out them by using the link in the description box. Now, coming to the third opportunity, this role is software developer in an MNC posted by Tele Infotech. Location is Pune and the candidates they are looking for is with 0 to 2 year of experience. Salary range is 2.75 to 5 LPA and this is a full-time opportunity. Now talking about the requirements, strong communication and problem solving skills, ability to work in a collaborative team environment is important. Technical skills include combination of Java, Python, C++, MySQL and on development side HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React or Angular, Node.js, PHP, web frameworks are important. Now, qualifications. Eligible degrees include BSc, Diploma, BCA, BTech, PE in any specialization. This is ideal if you want to enter MNC culture with decent starting package. Now let's talk about the final one, opportunity number 4. This is product developer role at Comviva. Location is Bangalore. Experience required is 0 to 2 years, so freshers can apply. This is a full-time employment. Now talking about requirements, strong software engineering fundamentals, SDLC, system and architecture design, data structures and algorithms is important. Database programming include tuning, indexes, keys, triggers. Tech stack may include Java, Docker, Kubernetes, frameworks like Spring, React, Node, and Angular, web servers like Tomcat, Apache, knowledge of microservices architecture, message queues, orchestration, CI/CD tools like Jenkins, testing tools like JUnit, Selenium is important. Now, qualifications: bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science, or related fields are eligible. Open for freshers and candidates with 0 to 2 year of experience. So yeah guys, these were the 4 opportunities covering internships and full-time roles. So make sure to apply. All the apply links are in the description box. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.